API 2.js. Under the hook folder only. Under the API 2.js, we can take the copy of first API 1. That will also look similar. API 1 you can take copy and paste under the API 2. Okay, taken the API 1, write as a my API 2. Change first the function name only, my API 2, my API 2. My API 2, my API 2. And delete all the content from HTML portion. All the content, keep only container. Keep only container, delete everything. Keep only container. Okay, container is open closed. Next, after that, you have written one place get car function, let it be. You delete the get user function, not needed. Delete get item function. So only one function is required, that is called get item. Sorry, get car. Keep only get car and remove others. Okay, hope ready. So in this function, what we are doing in this file, we are taking only data from one array. We are taking the data from only one API because in this API there is a nested array inside array. So we wanted to understand how to run a loop, inside loop. How to run a loop 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 inside loop. Okay. Come down under the category now, under the container. Follow the division. Class equal to class name. Name equal to row. Next division. Class name equal to call LG12 text hyphen center. H3 car list. Nested array. Car list nested array. Car list nested array. Link this file in your app.js file and check on this file is loading or not. Hello. Bhargavi. You need to call to that number. No, info campus number is a 888 number. Call there. Kirtana will guide you. You have to fill the details in that website, info campus website. She will guide you. Okay. Call. I have pinged you one number. Call to that number and ask madam where I need to update the resume. You have not uploaded your resumes? Yeah, check with her. Have you updated your marks details, everything? You log in the website and update it all. So you can call to that number, okay, and ask her to check once whether the resumes are in the list or not. Okay, so hope ready. Getting array. Sorry, page is loading or not? Page will load. You can print here carlist.length. Carlist.length. Check now, add in the routing and see once. It should display the list of, not list of car. It will display the length of the car. 23 should come. For how many people it is coming? Please let me know. Getting how many? 23? 23 or more than that? One person said something. 23. Okay. Let me add and show you. So we'll go to the app.js file. We will call here my API 2, import my API 2, my API 2, my API 2. Inside that, we can add a link here again. API 2 will be the URL. Component will be my API 2. Then we can go to the browser and check once your page is linking or not. Okay, hook 7 I have given. So in header file, we need to add a link. Hook 7 I have given. I need to give here API 2. API 2. Hook here I can write for API 2. Okay, save it and check once. Length is total. Display. Yes. Okay. Hope 23 or less than or more than. Please check everyone. Okay. Now this data will display in little different format. Okay. What format? Come to the code. Say yes, no, at least. I'm asking from online people. Are you able to read the length? One person has replied, other has not replied. Okay. Okay, cool then. Go ahead. Right here. What is the array name? Array name is called car list dot map. A division. Return a division. Class name. Row. MB4. Division. Close the division. Class name. Call LG4. H4 or H5. Car dot model. Next call price. Car dot price. H1 is H5 I have used. So car model will come big size. Come down. Paragraph. Car dot fuel type. Next paragraph. Car dot version. This all will display. This all will display. So it will display the complete inside the map. Map car list, yeah, correct only, no? It will display the list of cars. 23 car details should come here in the left hand side. Now in the middle, it should display the photo of the car. Okay, in the middle, it will display the photo of the car. Create one more code. Division. Close the division. Class name equal to call LG4. Here you display one IMG tag. IMG class name. Don't write class, keep height and width. Height 130. Width 100%. SRC equal to IMG URL. Now where is the IMG URL? We have to create here IMG URL. Right here, let IMG URL https://api/img/plus car.image. So this will generate one URL because photo is there in the server. You have to display in your computer. So the server URL plus image path, both we combine together. We got IMG URL. IMG URL we put in SRC. It should display one photo. Width will be 100%. Height will be 130%. See if now photo should appear. Car photo will appear. Height maybe we can increase little. 140 or 150 pixel. Please wait once. Image is coming up. In development side. So this data is coming from where? From the server. Okay, this data are coming from the server. Next, after that, so 4 is over, another 4 is also over. We have one more 4 in the last. So first 4 keep as a 3, middle 4 let it be 4 only. Create one more 5 in the last. Create one more 5 in the last. Call LG 5. Under that 5, there should be H5 service history. Service history. How many service history? You can write here car dot service history dot length. Car dot service history dot length. Under the car array, you have a service history. Under the car array, we have a service history. So it is going to check the service history dot length. How many times services were done? How many times the servicing was done for this particular car? Okay, so showing the length of service history. Servicing, it will show how many times servicing was done. See, service history 2, 2, 2. Some will be more also. 2, 3, 2, 3, right? Can see that. Keep text center. Class name. Text icon center. Please check once these data are coming or not. Now in that car service history is the array. Car service history is the array. That should display the how many times servicing was done. What was the servicing cost and what was the servicing date. The service date and service cost we need to display. Okay. So let's go here. After H5, create a table. Inside the table, you will write T head, TR, TH, date, service date, and service cost. Date and cost. Charges. After this, you will write a T body. Under T body, you will use the map function. Car dot service history dot map. Service comma index. service comma index return ATR TD service dot service date. Next is service dot service cost. Next TD service dot service cost. TR equal to index 2 you can write here. For table you can use the table classes and other things. It will give you well organized data. It will give you well organized data. Look like this. You can use the table class. It will look more better. Class name table hyphen bord. It will generate the complete table. For the heading TR, you can write here class name BG Light text hyphen primary. BG Light and text the primary. BG Light text primary. Try that and see how the table is looking. It will look very professional design complete. This is the power of UI. Data came in one array, displayed and designed everything very properly. Request for report dot resort dot We are making the data. You read the array, no? Read code, read, yeah. Read little. What is happening in this? You understood? In this, what is happening in this array? In this array, there is a two level of array.
First one is okay, sir. First one, maybe yesterday we did it actually.
Correct.
The
Second one is nested become confusing.
I am trying to search it.
No, I will guide you. Hold on. Let's see. See, that way you cannot search. Copy this one. Which one? The URL you have?
Yes, sir.
Everyone should copy that. Copy the URL. Okay. Come to the browser. Go here. Open that URL. After opening the URL directly, see it look like something else. It look like complete something, no?
We already seen in JavaScript.
Yes. I will guide you now. Look at here. I will copy one array from here. Okay, will not keep on. One array I will copy. One array I will copy. Okay. See here. One array I copied. Let me copy two array better. Will be helpful to guide you. Two array till where it will go. Two array will come till model. Look like a little bigger one. Till here, right? Till here, the second one will come. Let me copy. Okay. I will come to the Notepad++ because that is. Okay. Let me copy it. See here. Okay. Now in this, first organize it. First array details. This is the first array. Okay, you saw that. Category, status, boot size, and then the service history. Now look at the service history is another array. Service history is an array. Inside service date and service cost.
In between another one.
Nested array. Array inside array. So this is one product is ended here. One car is ended here. Another car details start. You see here. Let me arrange second one also. It will be clear for you. Service history. Okay, it's going to say. This is the third car, correct? So third car I will delete. I'll keep 2 car only. See now. You are running the loop here. 8 minutes. Someone is calling. Oh, yes, sir. Calling from? Okay. Okay, go ahead. I can't hear you, brother. Hello? Just your voice is breaking actually. See now? See, till here you have printed. What are? Model, price, version, fuel type. Mileage we have not printed. We printed directly image. Now if you want to print category, what you do? Car dot category dot vehicle type. Then only you can print a sedan. You have to print car dot status dot is service done. Then it will come as a true. No, directly you can print. You are printing no car dot image. Okay, you can print like that also. Car dot remaining. Hello? Yeah, tell me. Okay, you can talk in English better. No, yeah. No. Okay, so see here. Again, what we did? Service history, we run a loop. Now, service history is how many here? 2 are there. So, 2 arrays, 2 TR is creating. If you go for the next one, okay, next we come down. Here, we have here called another array, model, price, version, fuel type, mileage, image, category, status, number of dill logs 4. Number of dill logs 4, service history, something is there. Right? So this is the actual array come from that URL. Okay, now that array we receive and we are printing in the form of this one. Can you print this one? Which one? This one. Mileage, category, status, boot size. Try printing this mileage also, category in the first one. Okay, or mileage you print here after car. Come here. After car photo, print the mileage. After car photo in a paragraph, print the mileage. mileage. Mileage is that mileage. You can print here car dot mileage. Car dot mileage. Car dot mileage. Car dot mileage. Printing mileage. It will print to the mileage here. Next, after that, above the car, print the version already have printed. What else we have? We have called category. Category dot this one you have to print. Category dot vehicle type. Okay, so before that, you print in a paragraph category car dot category dot vehicle type. Car dot category dot vehicle type. It will print to the name of model. Model is coming anyhow in the left side. It will print to the next level of data. Coming category, mileage. Left side remaining two more fields are printing. Print that. We can print call service status is okay. Boot size. We can print the boot size here in the first left in a paragraph. Car dot boot size. Car dot boot size. Boot size version fuel price model. So print here properly. Listing. Space got applied. MB5 I have given. See, when you go to the industry, company will give you the URL. In that URL, there will be bulk data. We have to read that data. After that, display according to need. Okay. That is the task of main task for UI developer. So this file hope working for all. Yes, no, please, can you let me know? Okay, next, after that, I will give you another URL. You create a component and in that display all the data from that URL. You have already used that, but in React you need to implement. What is that URL? This comments one. Hope you can remember the comment URL, not comment URL, this URL. Which one? User URL. Yesterday you have written no already, but yesterday we have printed only name. Only name we have printed, but in this URL there is a huge data. If you can see. Can you see here? Name, email, mobile, password, street, many are there. If you want to print the this one street, what do you have to do? The particular dot address dot street, particular dot address dot zip code. If you want to print this company name, particular dot company dot name, right? So we will You please create a component, give the component name call, my user, read the data from here and display inside one page. There one user should come in one row, where you can see here three blocks are there. You can see first is what? Personal information in first four. Second four will be the address. Third four will be the phone number and website. And one row will be for the one user. Right? Possible or not? Possible? You have printed here, no? Yeah, this you are doing here. One four, second four, last four. Same way you need to do this one. Try. See, those I have written, you have not written, write it. Once you go for interview, company will not ask me to write. Company will ask you to write. Okay. So take that URL. Someone replied yesterday, did that. Who is that? Okay, you have done, then you can leave it. Ignore, wait for some time. Let other people to do. Other people, please do and share me the code as well. That is, create the file called myuser.js or not myuser.js, API3.js. In API3.js, read the data from that URL and display in 444. One row for one user. First four personal details, second row address, and third row company details. Possible? Try quickly. Once you complete that, then we'll set up a JSON server. Not JSON server. Next, we'll see like props, how to send the data from one component to other component. API 3.js file, read the data, display 444. One. Waiting for your code. Hmm? What is this? Huge effect. Are you calling the huge effect?
Yes, sir.
Where? Use E double F A C T. Use effect. Okay. Update user, get user. Come in browser again. Okay. Error is there. Go to the code. This semicolon is not required. One more is missing. Zero is missing. this one. You have written this. Now this is not required. It's not expensive. Open. That will go in the last. Now we check it. Save it. It's saying book 4.js export line. Go to the code. This is one for get user. That is not closed here. So we have to display complete 444. Anyone, Nadeem, can you share your code? Four four four. Name, email, mobile, first row, first column, address, middle, company in the last. Now reply. Waiting for other people response. Okay, then come next. If you have done, then very good. So you people learning. Learning.
Yes, no started.
Okay, then we can work on next level. Where we reach? Data is coming or not?
Yes, yes.
Working? Huh?
It's like something.
Okay, you can sample that, arrange it properly. Go here and then we have to create another component to see the properties. Okay, properties. That is called props. Create two component that you can try now. Place the data and display. Okay, create two more component called hook 5 you have created till now. Hook 5 we have created now. Okay, API 1 2 we created, one more you created 3. Let's create next component called hook 6.js and hook 7.js. Create two component hook 6.js and hook 7.js under the hooks folder only. Hook 6.js, hook 6.js, and one more called hook 7.js. Hook 7.js. Hook 6 and 7. So in hook 7.js, we can write first. In hook 7.js, we can write first import React again from React. Next, after that, import, not import, next constant, const, next component name will be const, next component name will be my hook 7. Properties, props in React. Props in React. Next division, call LG for MB4 X3 write some name Ganesh, write a paragraph for age, years. Next paragraph, mobile number. Next paragraph, city. Next paragraph, let it be this many. And this you can keep inside a division, and for that division, P4, the rounded border. This becomes a child component. Through this example, you will understand component is ready. We can. No, this will not go under the routing. This will come to the 6. Component number 7 will go to the 6. 6 will come in routing. So 7 is ready. Now come to the 6 component. If component number 7 is ready, we can go to the 6. Import React from React. Import my hook 7 from write the const my hook 6 return division class name container empty4 division class name row. Inside the row you can call that my hook 7. One time my hook 7. One more time my hook 7. One more time. Export default my hook 6. Now call this file in app.js. See now the hook 7 is the child component. Hook 6 become as a parent component. Under the hook 6, hook 7, how many times you are calling? 3 times. Reusability. That is called reusability. Okay. Reusability. Reusability, component interaction, props, all are together. Add under the app.js, check this page is loading or not. Printing how many times? Hmm? 3 times it should come. This you can give my hook 6 from hook 6. Hook 6 we can write here. My hook 6. Hook 6 you can give a link under the header file. Props you can write. Hook 6 you can give it a prop. What we are getting? When I go, it display how many times? 3 times. 3 times is coming or not? Check first if page is loading or not. Coming. Okay, then we'll see you tomorrow. We will work on these properties. We'll make it dynamic. This is coming same data 3 times. We will make it dynamic. So this is called component reusability. Hook number 6 we have written 1 time. Hook number 6 we have written 1 time, and no, hook number 7 you have written 1 time. And you are calling under the hook 6 3 times. 3 times. Here name values are still similar. Values are fixed everywhere. How many times you will call? It will give the same. So we are calling 3 times. We are getting same value 3 times. We'll make it dynamic also tomorrow. Properties we'll see without parameter, with parameter, component interaction. One component is calling to other components, becomes a component interaction. Component 7 becomes a child component. Component 6 becomes a parent component. The component reusability you are calling many times.